Dear all, I don't remember if I ever told you about the use of the presets that you can find in Flared. So now I make this short lesson about what are the presets and how they can help you in your work. With Flared we have templates that now are these 8 templates that are made by us. You cannot do your own template because it's a difficult process and there is to code them using Python. And so we add presets as we have time to do them. Sometimes you can find new presets. In the beginning we had only 5 presets, now we have 8. I hope that they will be much more in the future. So now let's add a preset. We can take whatever we like, the green preset. Let's add it to this camera, and with the plus button we have the template. Sorry, I was talking about preset, but they are not preset, they are template. I'm go into the render view, into the camera view. Okay, my GPU is getting okay. So now we have this flare. We don't like this flare because we want to change it, because we need another kind of effects in our video or in our scene. So we go to modify our values here, and we change something. We want more ghosts. We want ghosts with a little scale. Okay, we want more sunbeams, bigger sunbeams like this. We want to change the dominant color, so we go to another color. Okay, and okay, this is what we like. Now we can save a preset. To save a preset we have to click this plus button near this preset, okay, and give it a name without removing this part of text that is already written by the system. This, remember you, this preset is to the green flared. This GRE is for green, and so we call it scene 1. Okay. Now we want to change it more because we are not sure about this kind of result. We want to make another try, and we want to change the emission, reduce the emission, increase the amount of dirt, reduce the ghost number, increase the ghost scale, change the color because we don't like this color, we want something more blue. Okay, and we want to save another preset. So I can go here, click on the plus button, and call it scene 2. Okay, now we can recall the first preset. We can recall the preset 1, and the flare changes as we saved it. Or we want to recall the preset 2, and the flare changes as we had saved it. Okay, this is the use of the preset. Sorry, I had a crash and I restarted. I've made these 2 presets again. Now everything is working. I was working in 2.83. I didn't understand it. Now I'm in 2.81a. That is the stable version, and that is the only version that has the correct version of Flared installed. Now there are these 2 presets. I wanted to show you this. If you apply this preset or this preset and then you want to delete it because you can have a lot of preset and some preset could be not useful, you just have to recall it and then click on this minus button. Are you sure to remove the preset? Yes. And so the preset now is not there. I can remove also this one, remove, and so there are no more presets. The preset stays in memory when you close Blender and open it tomorrow. So the presets are there, are stored in your computer, and you can use them whenever you want. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.